So this library right here lets you type CSS in the terminal and is very easy to use. First of all, we have to import these libraries and yes, install it with pip, including the header, footer, button, labels, and everything we need. We can then create a class for my app and type the CSS. It's just normal CSS, it's the button and the margin, it's not that hard. And then we can create def compose, and then we can yield header and create a label like welcome to my app, and also create the button, and we can also yield a footer and we can run it. And let's see it. It's very easy, very simple. You can see we can press this button, we have a window title, and we have all this other stuff. We can press this button and everything is working, and we also have a palette here which we can maximize this thing, and we can also minimize this thing, by the way. And we can also like change the theme. Like I'm going with Atom 1 Light. Oh, this breaks my eye. And damn, this thing has so much features. As I created this to-do app with this, it's very simple. It has some functions, some events, and it's very small, by the way. I don't know, but it's pretty small. Probably less than 15 or 20 lines, I don't know. But let's try that. You can see we can type anything, and we have this button. To add the to-do, we can add a lot of like do something else, and do something around. And let's add the to-do, and we can also take these things like I can do something else. This is pretty cool. And the palette also have a keys thing, which I forgot you to tell. And it mentions all the keybinds, that it can also contain your own custom keybind. And if you have watched until here, then I appreciate it because no one actually does.